Welcome to the top best. The best beginner gear is probably one of the most exciting investments you can make if you're looking to start a YouTube channel. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. In this video, we'll break down the essential equipment you need to create high-quality videos without breaking the bank, so you can focus on what matters most, creating awesome content. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride Glute Trainer. This compact machine helps you improve your squat form. It supports a deeper range of motion while engaging your full body. It's a trusted solution for both cardio and strength training. Target key muscle groups with one powerful movement. This ergonomic machine works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders. It's perfect for effective, low-impact total body training at home. Pair it with the free Sunny Fit app for guided workouts. You'll get AI-powered plans, real-time tracking, global workout tours, and access to an exclusive fitness community, all led by world-class trainers. Customize your workout with multiple pin lock positions. Choose deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine tailored to your strength, flexibility, and goals. Challenge your strength with 3 built-in resistance bands. It offers up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts from beginner to advanced levels. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage. It's great for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability across all fitness levels. What we like. This machine offers a full-body workout, engaging multiple muscle groups with each movement. Its foldable design makes it perfect for small spaces, allowing you to easily store it away when not in use. If you are looking for a comprehensive, low-impact workout solution that fits seamlessly into your home, you should consider it. What people say. The machine provides a superb workout. It's really well considered, and the bolts and nuts come already in their spots. Assembly was pretty intuitive and only took about 30 minutes. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. This mini stepper is perfect for portable and compact stair stepping. It helps you achieve your cardio goals anytime, anywhere. It's the trusted choice of over 1 million satisfied customers. Built with heavy-duty steel, this stepper delivers unwavering stability. It now features an upgraded, certified 300 pounds weight capacity. Step confidently, knowing you're using a reliable exercise machine. Engage your core, glutes, and legs with this low-impact stepper. Add the removable resistance bands to enhance exercise for your upper body. It's designed to promote fat burning and muscle strengthening. Experience effective cardio burns with its high-quality hydraulic system. This system is designed to offer high resistance and an intense workout. You will feel the burn. Use the height adjustment knob to easily switch between short, intense bursts and longer, steady strides. Tailor the intensity to suit your workout mood. It's easy to adjust. This stair stepper offers an ultra-quiet hydraulic drive system. It delivers smooth stepping without disturbing your household. It's perfect for any time of day. Stay informed with the LCD monitor, tracking steps, time, and calories burned. Shape your exercise to be more effective and aligned with your goals. It's easy to keep track of your progress. What we like. This mini stepper is compact and portable, allowing you to achieve your cardio goals anywhere. It engages your core, glutes, and legs, promoting fat burning and muscle strengthening. If you like a simple, effective workout that you can do at home or on the go, you should consider this. What people say. It feels durable and high quality. The bands which are attached are not the best quality and do not have much tension but just enough to supplement your stepper workouts by adding an upper body component to it and thus making it a full body workout. You can work up quite a sweat in only 10 to 15 minutes of use if you're really pumping. Number 3. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. This USB studio recording microphone kit offers a simple plug-and-play connection. It connects directly to your PC or laptop without needing extra hardware or drivers. It's perfect for recording vocals, podcasts, and Skype calls. This vocal recording microphone delivers excellent sound quality with its wide frequency response. The cardioid condenser capsule captures clear audio while minimizing background noise. You're guaranteed to get great sounding results. The podcast microphone bundle includes a sturdy broadcast suspension boom arm. It offers versatile adjustment for capturing your voice perfectly. The double pop filter minimizes unwanted sounds for clear recordings. The streaming microphone comes with an adjustable boom arm stand. It features a heavy-duty combo mount for easy setup. The design allows you to record without obstruction, perfect for podcasting and online calls. The studio microphone kit includes all the accessories you need. It comes with a sturdy scissor arm stand, a shock mount, a double pop filter, and a USB cable. It also includes a user manual and technical support. What we like. This USB microphone offers a simple plug-and-play setup, making it easy to connect to your PC or laptop. It delivers excellent sound quality, capturing crystal-clear audio for your recordings. If you are a beginner looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use microphone for your YouTube channel, you should consider it. What people say. The microphone quality is excellent. The tripod is very stable and easy to adjust. The lighting kit provides great illumination. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SF RW5515 Rowing Machine. This rowing machine offers a full-body workout. It engages and strengthens your legs, glutes, core, back, arms, and shoulders. Rowing activates multiple muscles, promoting balance development and strength. With a 48-inch slide rail and 44-inch inseam, this machine is designed for users up to 6 feet 8 inches tall. It provides a comfortable and effective workout experience for taller individuals. Designed for comfort, this machine features an ergonomically crafted cushioned seat. It allows for extensive cardiovascular rowing workouts, maximizing the number of calories burned. Achieve personalized intensity with the 8-level magnetic system. Easily adjust the knob for tailored difficulty, catering to all skill levels. Keep your workout impactful and challenging with this customizable feature. Optimize your space with this rowing machine's smart design. It lets you save floor space by folding the sturdy steel rail upright when not in use. Easily store it in tight spots like closets or corners, perfect for home gyms. Embrace the tranquility of the magnetic resistance system, offering silent and efficient workouts. Enjoy undisturbed exercise sessions, perfect for quiet environments, promoting well-being wherever you are. Stay motivated and track your progress with a user-friendly digital monitor. The clear screen displays time, count, calories, total count, or scan. Monitor your performance and allow improvement with useful feedback. What we like. This rowing machine provides a full-body workout, strengthening legs, glutes, core, and more. It features an extended slide rail, accommodating taller users. If you are looking for a smooth, quiet, and effective rowing experience, you should consider this. What people say. The machine itself seems well built and functions smoothly when I use it. It's very quiet, the only real noise is the seat sliding back and forth. Assembly was straightforward. The machine itself has a few deficiencies. The first is the control panel. It's really basic and hard to read unless you have good light. The display itself is not self-illuminated. There is no stroke rate indication, which I think is very important since that's what indicates your level of effort. I set the panel to the stroke counter and use a separate stopwatch on my phone to keep track of the time. I could probably use the timer on the control panel, but frankly it's so cumbersome to cycle through the functions and hard to read, old eyes, that it's easier to use a separate device. Number 1. ZealSound USB Mic for PC, PS4 5. This USB microphone is incredibly easy to set up. It works right out of the box with your computer, laptop, or gaming console. You can also connect it to your phone or tablet using the included adapters. Take control of your audio with the gain knob. You can easily adjust the microphone sensitivity to get the perfect sound. There's also an echo function and a mute button with an LED indicator. This microphone delivers exceptional audio quality. It captures your voice clearly and accurately, minimizing background noise. The cardioid polar pattern focuses on your voice, ensuring pristine recordings. Monitor your audio in real time with the built-in headphone jack. You can adjust the monitoring volume to ensure your sound is perfect. This feature is great for gaming, streaming, and recording. The microphone is designed to be top-addressed for optimal sound. You can rotate it 360 degrees to find the perfect position. The sturdy metal base provides stability during use. The package includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a solid metal stand, a USB cable, adapters for different devices, and a windscreen. You'll also receive free technical support. What we like. This USB microphone offers a simple plug-and-play setup, making it easy to connect to your devices. It features precise mic gain control, allowing you to adjust the sensitivity for optimal sound quality. If you are looking for a versatile and user-friendly microphone for your gaming or podcasting needs, you should consider it. What people say. It can pick up my voice without being super close to. It's super easy to use. Just plug one end into the mic and the other into my laptop and it works immediately. It even has knobs to change the sound setting and volume from the mic itself. I use it for Zoom meetings and YouTube videos and it's perfect. Awesome. Simple to use, just plug and play for the most part. Everyone sitting around the table could be heard clearly and it drastically improved our TTRPG experience with minimal setup or extra bulk in my GM bag. Clear sound and minimal noise, recorded myself several times with background noises, when listened it was super clear with no noise. Has a volume adjustment knob and additional feature like echo and noise cancellation. Comfortable for long use, self-standing on the desk, no pressure on the head neck ear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.